Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Leo English Podcast. I am Leo, and today I have a very special guest with me. Anna, say hello.
Hello, Leo. Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today.
Anna, how are you feeling right now? Honestly.
Honestly, I feel good. A little tired, but good.
That is perfect, because today we are talking about how to stay positive.
When I hear that phrase, stay positive, I feel a little annoyed.
Really? Why?
Because sometimes life is hard, and someone says, just be positive, it feels like they are not listening.
I agree completely. That is exactly why we are not talking about fake positivity today.
Oh? What do you mean?
Fake positivity is smiling when everything is terrible. Real positivity is different. It is a skill. It is how you talk to yourself when things go wrong.
Okay, that sounds more useful.
Much more useful. And before we go deeper, if you enjoy learning English in a relaxed, natural way, please follow this podcast and share it with one friend. Just one. That's all we ask.
So, Leo, you said positivity is how you talk to yourself. Can you explain that more?
Of course. Let me ask you something, Anna. When you make a mistake, what do you say in your head?
Usually, something like, why am I so stupid?
Yes, most people say that. But is that sentence helpful?
No, it just makes me feel worse.
Exactly. That is called negative self-talk. And here's the interesting thing. Your brain listens to you.
My brain listens to me?
Yes. If you repeat, I'm not good enough, your brain looks for proof. But if you say, I made a mistake and I will fix it, your brain looks for solutions.
So, the words we choose, they actually change how we think?
They do. It's not magic, it's mental training. Like exercise, but for your mind.
I like that. Mental exercise.
Let's try a small exercise right now. Instead of saying, my English is bad, say this, my English is improving.
My English is improving.
Better, right? One sentence feels like a wall. The other feels like a door.
A door. I love that image.
Anna, let me give you a situation. You study English every day for 2 months. Then, one day, you take a test and you fail.
Ugh, that hurts just thinking about it.
Yes. And the first thought is usually, I'm not smart enough.
That is exactly what I would think.
But here's the problem. You're not saying, I failed the test. You're saying, I'm a failure.
Oh, that's a big difference.
Huge. One event becomes your whole identity. But one bad test does not define who you are.
So, how do we separate the two?
Try this. Instead of, I'm a failure, say, I failed this time. What can I improve? Failure becomes feedback, not identity.
Failure as feedback. That's powerful, Leo.
And think about motivation. When we start learning something, we feel excited, but after a few weeks...
The excitement disappears.
Right. And that's totally normal. Even confident people lose motivation. The secret is, replace motivation with small, consistent action.
Meaning, even if you don't feel excited, you still do something small.
Exactly. Listen for 10 minutes. Practice one sentence. Show up. Positivity isn't always emotion. Sometimes it's just action.
Okay, Leo, I believe you now. Positivity is a skill. But how do we actually build it? Any practical tips?
Yes, small habits. Not big life changes, just small daily things.
I like small. Small sounds easy.
Habit number 1. Notice small wins. Maybe today you learned 3 new English words. That's a win. Maybe you stayed calm in a difficult moment. That's a big win.
We often ignore small wins.
We do, but small wins build confidence over time. Habit number 2, change one word. Instead of saying, I have to study English, say, I get to study English.
Oh, that feels very different. Have to sounds like a punishment. Get to sounds like a gift.
Exactly. Same action, different feeling. And habit number 3, the morning reset. Before you touch your phone in the morning, take one deep breath and choose one sentence for the day.
Like what?
Something like, today I will try my best, or today I will focus on progress, not perfection. It takes 5 seconds, but it sets the direction of your whole day.
5 seconds. That's very manageable.
The best habits are always simple. If it's too difficult, you won't do it.
Leo, one more question. What if today was just a bad day? You were tired, you argued with someone, you didn't study, you feel guilty. What do you do?
First, stop attacking yourself. That's the most important step.
But it's hard not to feel guilty.
I know, but guilt and growth are different things. Guilt says, I'm bad. Growth says, today was hard. Tomorrow is a new opportunity. That's the reset.
Don't carry yesterday's mistakes into tomorrow.
Exactly. And remember, you are not trying to be a perfect person. You're trying to be a stronger one.
I think that's the most important sentence in this whole episode.
Let's say it again together. We are all works in progress.
We are all works in progress. Nobody has everything figured out, even Leo.
Especially Leo. Everyone, here's your challenge for today. Tonight, before you sleep, think about one small thing you handled well. Maybe you stayed calm. Maybe you studied for just 10 minutes. Maybe you didn't give up. That counts. Positivity grows when you notice your own strength. And if you're still listening right now, that's already a win. You showed up. You practiced English. You are moving forward. We're proud of you.
Thank you, everyone, for listening. Keep practicing, keep growing, and remember, you are braver than you think.
See you in the next episode. Stay strong, stay positive. Bye-bye.